Most people's pockets are a disaster zone. Loose change, tangled wires, and that one receipt from 3 years ago you're still holding on to for some reason. But your EDC, your everyday carry, shouldn't just be stuff you carry. It should be a curated toolkit that makes your daily life feel frictionless. We're talking about those chef's kiss items that solve problems before they even happen. Today, we're stripping back the bulk and looking at the gear that actually earns its keep. No filler, no junk, just high-utility tech that looks as good as it performs. This is the ultimate EDC upgrade for 2026. First up, let's talk about your data. Most external drives are just boring plastic bricks, but the Dockcase Pocket M2 drive is something else entirely. This is for the person who wants to see exactly what's happening under the hood, literally. It features a transparent design that shows off the internals, but the real star is that built-in smart display. It's basically a dashboard for your SSD. It gives you real-time info on the health of your drive, the transfer speeds, and even has power loss protection to keep your files from getting fried if a cable gets yanked out mid-transfer. It's tiny, it's rugged, and it turns a mundane task like moving files into a high-tech experience. If you're a creative or a pro who can't afford a corrupted drive, this is a total no-brainer. It's that rare piece of gear that's both a flex and a functional powerhouse. Next, we've all been there, trying to prop your phone up against a coffee cup or a pile of books just to take a video call or watch a clip, only for it to slide down the second you look away. Enter the Kenu Stance Plus. This thing is genius because it's a tripod that's actually smaller than a pack of gum. It snaps directly into your phone's charging port, whether you're still rocking Lightning or you've made the jump to USB-C, and creates a stable, adjustable base in seconds. It even doubles as a bottle opener, because why not? It's the ultimate just-in-case tool that weighs next to nothing but saves you from the constant frustration of a falling phone. It's sleek, it's metallic, and disappears into your pocket until the exact moment you need it. And for the lovers of the analog, we have the Studio Neat Mark II pen. In a world of touchscreens, there is something deeply satisfying about a well-weighted pen that just works. This isn't your average office supply cabinet throwaway. It's machined from solid brass or stainless steel, designed with a minimalist aesthetic that screams quality without trying too hard. The click mechanism is incredibly tactile, the kind of thing you'll find yourself fidgeting with during every meeting. It uses a Schmidt P8216 refill, which means it writes like an absolute dream, smooth, consistent, and bold. It's short enough to fit comfortably in a pocket, but feels substantial in the hand. This is the kind of buy-it-for-life gear that only gets better as it develops a unique patina over time. It's a statement piece that's also a workhorse.
Let's be real. Your phone's flashlight is fine for finding a dropped earring under the couch, but it's not exactly a searchlight. If you actually need to see what's happening in the dark, you need a dedicated tool that doesn't take up half your pocket. That's where the Nitecore Teeny 3 comes in. It's about the size of a car key fob, but it pumps out 500 lumens of light. To put that in perspective, that's bright enough to light up an entire alleyway. The coolest part, it has a tiny OLED display that tells you your battery level and how much runtime you have left in real time. No more guessing if your light is going to die halfway through a walk to your car. It's got a dual switch design to prevent it from accidentally turning on in your pocket and burning a hole in your jeans. It's rugged, it's USB-C rechargeable, and it's basically a superpower you can keep on your keychain. Now, once you start collecting all this high-end gear, you need a way to organize it that doesn't involve throwing it all into a dark backpack abyss. The Air Pro Kit is the gold standard for tech organization. Air is known for that ultra-clean San Francisco tech aesthetic, and this pouch is no exception. It's made from 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon, the kind of stuff they use for military body armor, so it's practically indestructible. The layout inside is what really sets it apart. It opens up like a clamshell, giving you immediate access to everything. There's a place for your mouse, your chargers, your SSDs, and even your SD cards. It keeps your setup looking organized and intentional, whether you're working from a coffee shop or a plain tray table. If you're tired of digging through a tangled mess of tech spaghetti at the bottom of your bag, this is the solution. Speaking of tangled messes, let's talk about the one cable that actually solves the too many devices problem, the Native Union Belt Cable Duo. We're currently in that awkward transition period where some of our gear is USB-C and some, like older iPhones or accessories, still needs Lightning. Usually that means carrying two cables. The Duo fixes this with a clever 2-in-1 head that lets you swap between connectors in a second. But this isn't just a cheap adapter. It's a 4-foot reinforced braided cable that feels incredibly premium. It comes with their signature leather belt to keep it neatly coiled when you're not using it. It supports high-speed charging and data transfer, meaning it's the only cable you actually need to keep in your kit. It's durable, it's versatile, and it looks way better than the white plastic cables that come in the box. Even the most hands-off person eventually runs into a loose screw or a wobbly battery plate. Usually, you'd have to go digging in a dusty junk drawer for a massive, greasy screwdriver. But the HOTO electric screwdriver changes that dynamic entirely. This thing looks more like a high-end vape or a designer pen than a tool. It's got a sleek, matte finish and a dead simple one-button interface. But don't let the pretty looks fool you. It's got enough torque to handle all your daily fixes, from tightening your glasses to building a PC or putting together that one IKEA shelf you've been putting off for months. It comes with a magnetic storage case and 10 different bits, so you're covered for basically any scenario. It's the kind of tool that makes you feel like you actually have your life together because you can fix stuff on the fly without breaking a sweat.
Then there's the storage issue. We're all generating more data than ever, but carrying around a bulky external drive just isn't a pocket-friendly vibe. The SanDisk Extreme Fit USB-C flash drive is the ultimate solution for the minimalist over-preparer. This thing is so small that if you plug it into your laptop, you can barely see it. It's a plug-it-and-forget-it piece of kit. Despite the tiny footprint, it's packing up to 256 gigs of space and speeds that won't make you want to pull your hair out. It's perfect for offloading 4K footage from your phone or keeping a backup of your most critical files literally on your keychain. It's rugged enough to survive the chaos of a pocket full of keys and fast enough to be genuinely useful in a professional pinch. It's basically invisible storage that's always there when you need it. Now, if you've got a long commute or you're stuck in a waiting room, scrolling through social media gets old fast. That's why the Miyoo Mini Plus has become an absolute cult classic in the EDC community. This is a Game Boy on steroids. It's a tiny, retro-inspired handheld that can emulate basically every game from your childhood. Think NES, SNES, PlayStation 1, all on a gorgeous high-res screen that fits in the palm of your hand. It's got Wi-Fi for multiplayer, a massive library of games you can easily add, and a build quality that feels surprisingly premium for the price. It's the ultimate boredom killer. Instead of wasting time on mindless apps, you're diving back into the classics. It's nostalgic, it's fun, and it's the perfect size to slide into a tech pouch or a jacket pocket. Finally, the one thing we all dread, losing our wallet. The Nomad Tracking Card Air is the peace of mind you didn't know you could buy for 30 bucks. It's a Find My-enabled tracker, but unlike the bulky Air tags that create a weird lump in your wallet, this is the shape and thickness of about 2 credit cards. It's designed to slide right into a card slot and disappear. It syncs perfectly with the Apple Find My network, so if your wallet decides to go on a solo adventure at a bar or falls between the car seats, you can ping it or track it down on a map. It's got a long-lasting battery and a premium finish that matches the rest of your high-end gear. It's the kind of tech you hope you never have to use, but the one time you do, it pays for itself 10 times over. Your EDC is a reflection of how you move through the world. Whether you're a creative pro, a student, or just someone who likes being prepared for anything, these 10 items represent the peak of utility and design in 2026. You don't need to carry everything, you just need to carry the right things.
If this helped you find that one missing piece for your daily setup, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Let me know in the comments which of these is a must-have for you, or if there's a secret piece of gear I missed. Subscribe for more deep dives into the best tech on the planet. I'll see you in the next one.